Hi, and a very warm welcome to day 20. My name is Gaia, and we are doing a 30-day evening Yin Yoga challenge where we practice Yin Yoga for 30 consecutive days. Now, if you have just stumbled upon this video, that is perfectly fine. You can do this practice on its own. However, if you want to join us for the full 30 days, I will link everything down below. Now, today we are working with props, so make sure to either have a yoga bolster, regular pillows, or yoga blocks ready because we will start in a supported fish. So whichever prop you have, just place it at the top of your mat so that your back and your head will be supported by the prop. And then just lean back, resting against your prop. And you can extend your legs long, let the feet flop. And then bring your arms down by your sides, maybe slightly wider with the palms facing up. Adjust if you need to adjust. We want this to be super comfortable and very relaxing because we will be here for around 4 minutes. So take your time to make any adjustments as needed. And once you arrive in a place that feels good to you, just settle into stillness and enjoy. Begin to deepen your breath, signaling to your body that we are about to move. And then slowly invite some movement into your body. You can wiggle the fingers and toes. Float open your eyes if you had them closed. And bring your forearms closer into your body. Tuck the chin and press yourself up into a seat. Remove whichever prop you had available. And lower yourself back down onto your back. Reclined child's pose. Bend at the knees. Bring the legs in close to your chest. You can hug yourself around your legs. You can hold them by the shin or behind the thigh. Choose whichever version works best for you. The main thing is to keep nice, relaxed shoulders here, so absolutely no tension in the upper body. Keep the back of the neck long. If you have to, you can tug the chin in a tiny bit to promote that length. And then just settle here into your reclined child's pose and enjoy. Begin to deepen your breath. Maybe rock a little bit side to side. And in your own time, make your way into Shavasana. I'm pretty sure I have a dog here now. But Kaba decided to move so I can join you in Shavasana. Just extend the legs long, let the feet flop. Let your arms come down by your side with the palms facing up. And we'll just rest here for a little while longer, integrating this practice and giving ourselves a few more lovely moments in silence and stillness. begin to return your awareness back into your body. Wiggle your fingers and toes. You can take a nice deep stretch if that feels good. And when you're ready, make your way onto your side first. And with the help of your hands, press yourself up into a seat. Take whichever seated position feels best for you tonight. Place your palms together at the heart in Anjali Mudra. Close your eyes and let's tap into the day that we've had. Let your day unfold in your memories, in your mind, and as it unfolds, call to one thing, just one thing. It can be a simple, small thing that you can be proud of, appreciate, have gratitude for, or celebrate. Just see what comes up for you and then connect with that thing. Connect with the emotions it evokes within you and see if you can amplify them with every breath you take. Thank you so, so much for practicing with me, and I will see you again tomorrow. Thank you.